Hey everyone, Amazfit Balance 2 is Huawei's latest high-end smartwatch, officially launched in China as a versatile device tailored for both everyday users and fitness enthusiasts. With a starting price of $272, the Balance 2 positions itself as a premium wearable offering advanced health tracking, durable design, and a host of athletic features. Visually, Balance 2 impresses with a vibrant 1.5-inch AMOLED display boasting a sharp 480 by 480 resolution. This display is housed beneath a sapphire crystal cover, offering excellent scratch resistance and a polished premium look. The 47mm circular body is substantial yet not overbearing, weighing just 42 grams, which makes it comfortable for extended daily use. The included silicone strap and magnetic charging base round out the hardware package. Under the hood, watch runs on Zepp OS 5, Huawei's latest proprietary operating system. It delivers a smoother, more responsive user experience compared to previous versions, and now supports third-party app installations, significantly expanding its functionality. With 32 gigabytes of internal storage, users can store apps, playlists, and other data directly on the device, including music for offline playback. Connectivity features are robust, including NFC for contactless payments and transit access, as well as Bluetooth 5.2 and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi for reliable data syncing and calling capabilities. Health and fitness tracking on the Amazfit Balance 2 is a standout feature. A next-generation optical sensor provides continuous monitoring of heart rate and blood oxygen levels, supporting advanced metrics such as VO2 max, recovery time, and training load, ideal for serious athletes. The watch also analyzes stress levels and sleep patterns, and it can automatically recognize a wide range of activities like swimming, cycling, and outdoor running. Its 10 ATM water resistance rating ensures it's not only suitable for water-based activities, but also certified for diving. For location tracking, the watch offers comprehensive support with 5 satellite systems. This ensures high accuracy across various terrains and environments. An integrated speaker and microphone further enhance functionality by enabling Bluetooth calling directly from the wrist, making it a convenient communication tool when on the move. Battery life is another highlight. The 658 mAh battery offers up to 21 days of regular use on a single charge. And for those who rely heavily on location services, the watch can deliver up to 67 hours of continuous GPS usage, more than sufficient for multi-day adventures or training sessions. In summary, the Amazfit Balance 2 is a sophisticated, performance-focused smartwatch that combines premium materials with powerful features. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a tech-savvy professional, or someone looking for an all-in-one wearable, the Balance 2 delivers on nearly every front: durability, battery life, software flexibility, and health intelligence, all wrapped in a sleek, wearable design. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and God bless you.